Daksh, did you write your test? Any doubts in the test?
Yes, ma'am, I have written it.
Okay. Any doubts in the test? Only 10 questions I gave. Any doubts? I think the new students, Karthik, are you there? Gagan Karthik? Yes, am I audible to you, Gagan Karthik? Gagan Karthik, are you there or not? Is Gagan Karthik is there in the meet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. One minute, children. A student is waiting here.
Ma'am, I couldn't turn on my webcam because the internet is slow here. I came to my village.
Okay. Yes, Ashwath, did you write the test? No, I think so.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, some questions I got confused. That's why for 2 questions I got wrong, ma'am, and I think 2 questions only. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll check once. Yes, ma'am. For 3rd question, the options were wrong, ma'am. For 4th question, I got confused, and 9th and 16th question, I got confused, ma'am.
Okay, let me discuss the questions. So just a minute. Children, be serious with your examination. Once examination, any exam conducted means that's for your sake. Anything, whatever the given by the teacher task, you're supposed to complete, children. That is mandatory. If you habitate like that, you never lose your scores. Yeah, I can see few students are taking very easy. And next time onwards, you have to write written explanations why you are absent for your test.
Ma'am, where will we get tests, ma'am?
In WhatsApp, Nana, in WhatsApp, take my support or Rahul sir support. We will help you, but you have to write your test. That's mandatory. Gagan. Your first, you maybe you 1 or 2 classes. Please prepare like that. We definitely take my support or Rahul sir support also.
Okay, ma'am.
Gagan, or else if you are unable to do the test, please call me, or else you can call to Rahul sir in our group. Technical team manager Rahul sir is there. You can even take support of sir. Sir will guide you where you have to write test, how you're supposed to write test. Constantly focus on academics, student. Please, I can see you are taking very easy. I'm not going to accept next time onwards. I will be little serious on this, especially 6th class. I thought you are very small kids. That's why I am giving few excuses, but nowadays onwards, I'm not going to give any excuse to these students also. Whatever the task given for you, you're supposed to complete the task. Yeah, next my question here. Other day we discussed what we discussed, children. What we discussed in previous class. I think Daksh, you are there.
Ma'am, you asked good questions, ma'am.
Okay. And addition of fractions. Did we discuss the addition of fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Subtraction part. Any doubt in addition and subtraction?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can we discuss with today 1 or 2 application sums so that we can go with the decimal concepts, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Gagan, quickly, I just want to know how much you are able to do the sum. This bit quickly you're supposed to answer, Gagan. My question for Gagan, 1 minus 8 by 15. Yeah.
Ma'am,
1 minute.
that will be 1 minus, sorry, 1 by 0 minus 8 by 15.
No, 1 by 0 we can't write. Why we can write a whole number?
Sorry, 8 by 15 minus 1 by 0. 1 by 0 will make it 1, right?
Instead of 1, you have to see the next number denominator. What is next number denominator?
Yes, ma'am. 15 by 15.
Yeah, you have to take as 15 by 15. Instead of 1, you have to write it as 15 by 15 minus 8 by 15. So now these two are like
3 by 15.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
3 by
7 by 15.
15, right? This is the way quickly you have to answer, children. Any doubt here? Where
No,
whatever the question, suppose the question is like 1 minus 7 by 9. Instead of 1, what you can write? Instead of 1, you can write
9 by
9. 9 by 9.
9 by 9. Why? Because this denominator is 9.
Ma'am, the answer is 2 by 9.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
9
2
by
by
9 minus 7 by 9. It
Ma'am, so if it is 2 minus 7 by 9, will it become 18 by 9?
yeah, yes, exactly. Very good. It become 18 by 9. 18 minus 7 is 11 by 9. 11 by 9, even you can convert into mixed number. Wonderful. Who is this? Is it Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful, really good. That is the one thing teacher is given. You have to go with some other task. What Ashwath is telling, ma'am, is it your same question? Can we take it as 2 here? Can we take it as 2 here? What I can take here 2?
18, 8,
Ma'am,
sorry,
18 by
22 by 11.
ma'am.
22 by 11. So 11 ones are 11 twos are. If you cancel also, you will get 2 only. So why I am taking 22 by 11 here?
Ma'am, because the
Ma'am,
whole number
11
is 2
twos
and the denominator is...
Exactly. Exactly. You should multiply this to 11 twos are 22 by 11 minus 9 by 11. So this is nothing but 22 minus 9 is nothing but 13 by 11. 13 by 11, even we can write it as a mixed number. 1, 2 by?
Ma'am, 1, 2 by 11, ma'am.
Yes. This is actively you have to answer, children. This is a few questions I have to explain to you. Next question, Lohini, are you there, Nana? Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Come on, quickly answer my question, Lohini. 4 1 by 5, 4 1 by 5 minus 7 by 10. The first step, what you have to do here, Lohini? First step.
Have mixed fractions, so we have...
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Mixed number convert into improper fraction. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 20.
21 by 5. 21 by 5.
7 by 10. Now you see the denominators are unlike here.
Ma'am, it will become, for like fractions, it will become 42 by 10 minus 7 by 10.
Wonderful. Was to make as a like, you need to multiply first fraction with the 2. So 22, 21 2 times 42 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Both are like fractions. Now you can subtract.
Ma'am, 42, it will become 35 by 10.
35 by 10 is nothing but? Yes.
It is 3 5 by 10.
Ma'am,
3 1 by 2, ma'am. 3 1 by 2.
Very good. 3 5 by 10 again it should be reduced into
3 1 by 2.
Wonderful, Nana. 3 1 by 2. This is a really interesting question too. Some cases this type of calculation will occur. You need to simplify 5 by 10. Also, you have to reduce into lowest form as 1 by 2. Or else in this term will be divisible by the 5 table. 5 2s are 5 7. 5 7s are 7 by 2 can be written as 7 by 2 can be written as 3 1 by 2. This anything you can write. Half of 7 means 3.5. That means 3.5. Okay, any doubt, Drona, here? Any doubt here? Drona, are you there in the classroom?
Yes, I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, any doubt in this case?
No, ma'am.
Now, my question is, Gagan and Daksh are 2 friends. Gagan covers 15 by 2 kilometers every day. Gagan and Daksh are 2 friends. Gagan covers 15 by 2 kilometers every day. And whereas Daksh covers 13 by 3 kilometers every day. Who covers more distance through their bicycle every day? Not only 2, one more student also. Drona covers. Drona.
Ma'am, can I send the answer?
Very good. 29 by 6 kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
These are 3 friends. They are riding bicycles regularly. This is the distance given in the improper fractions. So who covers the maximum distance? Who covers the maximum distance is my question. Yes, Gagan, can you please, what are you supposed to do here? Am I audible to you, children? Yes, children, am I audible to you?
Ma'am, can you tell the Drona's distance, ma'am?
Yeah, 1 minute. Drona is 29 by 6 kilometers. Gagan covers 15 by 2 kilometers, whereas Daksh covers 13 by 3 kilometers. Drona covers 29 by 6 kilometers. By seeing all this data, who covers more distance?
Ma'am, Drona covers more.
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
wait,
Drona covers.
ma'am. Wait, ma'am, Gagan.
Gagan? Okay, let me
Ma'am,
check.
Drona, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, Gagan. Oh,
Sure?
I got confused. Yes, I'm sure,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Sure, okay, 1 minute I will do. So I have to do division here. 2 sevens are 14. So 1 is remainder. That means I can write it as mixed number 7, 1 by 2 kilometers. Next, coming to Daksha, how much distance? Daksha, 13 by 3. So if I do division, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 4, 1 is remainder 4, 1 by 3 kilometers distance. This is Gagan. So 29 by 6. 29 by 6 means I can do division. 6 table, how many times? 29.
Ma'am, 6 4s are, ma'am.
Very good. 6 4s are 24. Now, what is the remainder? 5. So 4, 5 by 9.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
No, by seeing whole numbers, whole number 7, whole number 4, whole number 4. So
Ma'am,
who
Gagan.
covered?
3 is 6.
Gagan does.
Gagan traveled the maximum distance. Suppose my question is, who covers the least distance?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Daksh, me.
Daksh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, Daksh.
4 1 by 3.
How you know, is it Daksha or Drona, but for whole part is the same, right? 1 by 3, 5 by 9. How you supposed to take who covers more? You need to compare again, children. Daksha and Drona, you need to compare. If you want to compare two fractions, you just do cross multiplication. Very simple technique of cross multiplication. 13 6 are how much, children? 13 6 are
78.
78. నాన్న టేబుల్స్ ఎవరైతే పర్ఫెక్ట్ చెప్తారో వాళ్ళని అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తాను. 29 3 times.
Ma'am,
29. Ma'am, 87.
Ma'am, 87.
87. So
Ma'am, 87.
who covers more distance?
Ma'am, most distance.
Drona.
Sorry, least distance. Who covers least? Sorry,
Ma'am,
Daksh, ma'am.
Daksh
Ma'am,
only.
me.
Daksh only. Very good. Daksh only. Because here, if you compare Drona and Daksh, Drona covers more. But my question is, who covers least means Daksh only. Very good. Right. This is the way you can compare even the things also, children.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, give me each person a question, and in the last, can you give me a question?
Okay. Can we go with some targets?
No, ma'am, you give all questions are very hard questions.
Sure. Now,
Ma'am, because we are done with the lesson.
Ashwath, why very dull today? Ashwath, how are you, Ashwath?
Ma'am,
Not Ashwath. Where is the other student? Is the Yadharth is there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so dull, Yadharth?
No, ma'am. I wasn't there in a week, so I'm trying to understand, ma'am, what you're saying.
Okay. Because every day you are very active in the class. I am unable to hear your voice.
Ma'am, because in the past week, I don't know what you thought, ma'am.
Past week I went with a very slow. Only Daksh and few students are attended. Very slow. The same addition and subtraction concepts only covered. Next.
That's why I'm trying to understand.
Okay. Now, how many students are there in the class?
Wait,
Ma'am,
excuse
Six
me, ma'am.
students, ma'am. Sixth.
Ah,
Six.
6 questions I will write. Please choose your
Ma'am, in the last question, give me very tough question.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's showing my connection is very unstable.
For
Ma'am, I
me?
can't see your ma'am, I can't see your screen. My
One-
connection.
Okay, okay. Can you please once
Then
again
you should rejoin then Daksh.
rejoin?
Yes,
Weak, the network poor signals due to that it is happening. Please rejoin or else, yeah, please choose your questions.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, it's making me randomly leave.
Oh, why it is happening like that? Maybe network issue, no, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe network. Due to network issue, it is happening.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the router has very less data in the evening time. So, ma'am.
Ma'am, give me a very tough question at the last, ma'am, please.
Sure.
Ma'am, the first question I'm solving in just 1 minute.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen. It's showing your connection is unstable.
Okay. Well, can I share screen share for you, Daksh? The questions?
Ma'am, I'm solving third question.
Very good. Please come on, children. Take your own choice and do it. And give ready with your answers. I'm giving 6 questions on the screen. I'm giving 6 questions. Each and everyone is supposed to take and solve the question. This is your task today. For 1/6.
Ma'am, it's still 5:36, so we can do the questions in class.
Okay. 3, 2/3. Yeah, come on. All supposed to do all each and every question. You have to answer the questions. Everyone supposed to give answer. Put in the chat box, children. I'm seeing your chat. Take your questions. These are the 5 questions you have to do right now.
Ma'am, just one you can make me understand, ma'am.
Okay.
Just one question, can you explain?
Can I go with first question? Which question you want, children? Here.
Ma'am, any question.
Okay. Children, you need to find this part. You need to find, suppose whatever the thing you want to find this minus, if you transpose other side, what happens, children? Minus becomes a plus. So 1/5 plus 5/8 you have to solve. You know, these are unlike fractions. You make as a like fractions, then you need to solve. You will get this unknown fraction. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please go like that. Gagan, if you have any doubts, please share with me, Gagan, so that I can help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent the first.
Oh, very good. Already I got one answer from a student. Lohini, are you doing, Lohini? I can see very pin drop. Lohini, Drona. Lohini, are you doing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm too absent, ma'am, because I was having exams, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you explain a question, ma'am?
Okay.
A different question,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I explain the last question, ma'am?
Okay, one by one. First bit, I will just please just a minute, children. I will go with. Can you copy the questions? All questions? Did you copy? Did you copy all questions or not? So that I can clear my screen. I'll go with. Okay. So first question is. Yeah, listen, children who are unable to do, please listen the question. First question. You need to find in the bracket what fraction minus, you don't know that fraction, minus 5/8 gives 1/5. To find this fraction, what you supposed to do? Just a minute. To find this unknown fraction, what you supposed to do? You are subtracting towards the left side. If you transpose to other side, a subtraction becomes a positive, children. To find unknown fraction, You have to do 1 by 5 plus 5 by 8. So these are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, to make as a like fractions, what I told children, you need to find LCM of denominators. What are denominators? 5 and 8. LCM of 5 and 8 is 8 5s are 40. Why? Because they both are co-prime numbers, no common factor. Directly you can make as a product. Now 1 by 5 is your first fraction. Denominator is 5, but you need to equate to your LCM 40. 5, how many times 40, children?
8, ma'am.
8 times.
8.
So you
8
have to
by
multiply.
40.
Yes, you have to multiply with 8. Second fraction 5 by 8. Second fraction 5 by 8. Denominator 8. You need to make as a 40. So to make as a 40, what I should do?
5.
Very good. I should multiply with 5. Now come on children, 1 8s are 8 by 40. 8 by 40 plus 5 5s are 25
25 by
by
40.
40. So now 8 plus 25, how much children?
Ma'am, 33.
33 by, yeah, that's all children. Like that, you have to find out the first one. Any doubt children in first one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you children. And can we go with the second fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right. Drona, please be concentrate here. Concentrate here.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Ma'am,
many
I sent all first three questions. I'm sending.
wonderful.
I'm sending
Come
4.
on. Come on, carry on. Don't wait for me. You go way ahead. So I need to find this unknown fraction, but unknown fraction is a negative children. To find this, you need to send this to other side. Take
1
this
by
fraction
2.
to this side. So 3
Yes,
by 4 minus 1 by 2 gives the unknown fraction. Yes or no, children? This minus, if you transpose to other side, it becomes plus x. Suppose if you don't know that fraction, take as x. So you will get x value, plus x value. What you should do, you have to subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. So here 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 denominators are not same. So unlike to make as a
Ma'am,
like,
4 is the
2 by 4.
LCM.
very good. 4 is the LCM. So just a
2 by
second,
4.
just a second fraction multiply with the 2. That's all children. 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 4. Right, children?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Right. Yeah, like that. This is a little tricky, not that much. Only the thing, left hand side to RHS. If you are moving other side means a sign will be changed. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. That thing you need to remember. That is like a balancing. We are balancing the equation. If you move that side, it's nothing new, nothing to worry. You can do like that. We are balancing the equation. So you just remember, balancing is nothing but we are transposing the things to other side to make our equation as balanced. Yeah. This anyway you will get in your algebra, but you please, the words you remember, the mathematical words is very important. Shall we go with the third bit, children? Any doubt here, like why, ma'am, you x, you are taking the other side, it is positive x. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next question, third question in that. Children, please let me know the time should be 6 to 5 minutes. Please remain me once, children. 4 by 5 minus, not minus, this is plus, so that it's nothing but 7 by 8.
Ma'am, then we should do 7 by 8 plus 4 by 5.
Minus, why? Minus, you should do minus, Nana, very good, but you should not do positive. Why? Because left side, if it is positive, if you transpose to other side, what happens? Nana, this is anyway plus x only. Plus x, don't need to send other side. This unknown thing you have to take x this side only. This plus 4 by 5 you send other side right now. 7 by 8 minus 4 by 5. Any
Okay,
doubt?
ma'am.
Yeah. Transposing, when you are transposing, signs will be opposite, Nana. Plus become minus, minus become plus. If left side x is positive, that's why I'm not moving here. I'm keeping at the same side. Now this 8 and 5 LCM is 40. You know this, how to solve. You can complete and give your answer, children. 8 and 5 LCM is 40. 8 and 5 LCM is 40. So 8 into 5 means there is no common factor for 8 and 5. So we'll just write as a 40 LCM. So to make as a like fraction, 7 by 8. 8, how many times, Nana? 8 5s are 40. So first fraction with 5. Second fraction, denominator 5. So 5, 40 means 8
Eight,
times.
sir.
Yes, 8 times you have to do. Then you have to write it as 35
7 5 is 35.
by 40 minus 8 4s are 8 4s are
Ma'am, the fourth
Long
question was
number.
very hard, ma'am.
no hard, children, easy only, children. 3 by 40. 35 lo 32 remove చేస్తే ఎంత నాన్న? 3 by 40.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your doubt, Nana?
Ma'am, if 4 by 5 minus x, then if we move minus to
Exactly, very good, very good. Very good question you're asking. 4 by 5 minus x, 7 by 8 means what you have to do, you have to send other side. This 7 by 8 you have to take from this side. 4 by 5 minus 7 by 8 equal to x. Very good question you're asking. Is it Gagan, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
you understand? Now you understand the transposing technique?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. We need positive x, Nana. We don't want negative x, right? We have, that's why here anyway positive is there. That's why I'm not moving here. I'm keeping as it is left side. Only
Ma'am,
plus
can I
4.
go to the washroom, ma'am?
Yeah, please, Rana, please. Can we go with the next bit, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. 5 by 6. Please maintain your classwork, tuition work, children, regularly. Put it, I will randomly check your classworks also when I'm going to check. I'm not sure.
Ma'am,
Now,
should we write all this, ma'am?
yes, do in book, Nana. One book, please maintain. You're not
Okay,
doing?
ma'am.
You're not
Yeah.
doing?
Yes, ma'am. I will write. Okay.
Please take one book, whatever given by teacher today. Please do it, children. Please do it. Try to understand. At least copy questions and do it in home. This is
Okay,
once
ma'am.
your practice. When once teacher is teaching, listening and practicing will help a lot for your. When you, if you habitate like that, when you are going to senior classes, you can develop individual nature by doing your own.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Yes, children, here denominators, LCM of denominator is 6, 3, 5. So LCM of 6, 3, 5. Let me go with the 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 5s as it is. So no number, we can stop over here. You just multiply 3 into 2 into 1 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5, 10. 30 కదా నాన్న LCM ఎంతమ్మా?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now come to your original fractions. Come to your fractions. So 5 by 6, denominator 6, children. Denominator 6 means to make as 30. What you have to do?
Ma'am, 6 5s are.
Very good. 6 table of 30. 6 5s are 30.
5 5s are 25.
Very good. Next fraction, day 2 by 3. 3 table 30. When you will get 3 how
3
many
tens
times?
are.
Very good. 3 tens are 30. Wonderful. Next.
2 tens are 20.
5. How many times 30, Nana? Denominator 5. 5 should make a 30 means you should multiply with?
5 6 are.
Yes, 5 6 are. Now come on,
3
children.
6 are.
Now again simplify 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25 by 30 minus 10, 20 by 2 tens are 20 by 30.
30.
Then plus 6 3s are
18 by 30.
Now, Nana, add addition first, always do addition, then subtraction, children. Which are addition positive here? 25
Ma'am,
and 18.
45.
25 and 18 first add చేసుకోవాలి Nana. 25, 35, 45 లో నుంచి 2 తీస్తే 43. 43 by 30 వస్తుంది కదా నాన్న. 43 by 30
Yes, ma'am.
minus 20 by 30. 43 లో 20 subtract చేస్తే how much? It's 23 by 30.
30.
This is the answer. Like that you can do. Oh, yes, last bit can you do, children? I'm unable.
Ma'am, fifth one. Can I do it, ma'am?
Very good. Come on, please. Come on, Daksha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, first 4 1 by 6 minus
Very
4
good.
by 9 plus
Very
3 2 by 3. We need,
Okay.
they are in mixed fractions, so we need to
Convert
we need
into
to convert them into improper fractions. So 4
Wonderful.
into 6 plus 1 equal
Yeah.
to 25 by 6. ma'am.
Okay.
25 by 6. The second one is 22 by 9. 22 by 9.
Okay.
And then 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 11. So 11 by 3.
Wonderful, Nana. Wonderful. Now
Ma'am,
LCM.
now 25. We need the LCM. The LCM is 18, ma'am, because it's the LCM is 18.
Okay. Is it LCM 18, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s are very good. Very good. LCM is 18. Wonderful.
Ma'am,
Come on.
so 25 into 3 by 6 into 3, ma'am.
Very good.
It will become 75 by 75
Okay,
by 18.
next step we will do. First you tell here.
75 by 18, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, 22 into 2 and by 9 into 2, which is 44 by 18.
Very good.
And 66 by 18, ma'am. Last one. 11 into 6 by 3 into 6.
3 into 6. Wonderful, Nana.
Ma'am, now 75 minus 44 is 30.
Nana, first you should not do subtraction, Nana. You always do addition. Go with addition.
Ma'am, 75 plus 6. Ma'am, can I add 44 and 66, ma'am?
Oh, no. Why? Because don't add minus 44. That is minus. Don't go with that. Negative term you have to do little later. First addition terms you have to take together.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 75 plus 66 is 141.
141, wonderful, by 18 minus
44
by
44 by
18.
Daddy,
18.
look at that.
Come on. Yeah, who is that?
Ma'am, it was my sister. Ma'am, the 97 by 18 is the final answer.
97 by 18. Can we convert the 97 by 18 into mixed number, Nana? 18 5s are 97 by
57 by 18.
Yeah, this is correct answer, Nana. That's all. Wonderful. Right. In the examination like that, whatever application part is given also, you can go with this same procedure. If you have any doubts, please let me know. We will discuss, or else we can end up today's class. Shall I give small worksheet for you children to practice? Can you practice today? Can I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Just a minute, children. 1 minute, and I'll give the question. Yeah, 5 bits. Your target. Come on, children. Your target today for only 5 bits. I'm not going to give many bits for you. Just 5 bits. First question: 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 minus 1 5 by 6. And you can personally you can do the sums and WhatsApp for me also, children. I'll appreciate your sincerity.
Ma'am, after doing, where should we send, ma'am?
WhatsApp, Nana, please, in my WhatsApp number, please, personal WhatsApp number, you can who are doing personal WhatsApp and sending answers personally, I'll appreciate the students. I'll really appreciate the students for their sincerity.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the last 6 minutes are left, ma'am. You want to
Okay, I will just give the questions, Sana. You just copy the questions and practice the sums and send answers.
Ma'am, I'm taking screenshot.
I know you are very busy, children. That's why I won't give many questions for you. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
small kids. Even you need to play. You need to happy. That's why I'm giving only 4 bits for my students. Please do this sincerely and post your answers to me personally. Always who are sending answers is appreciable thing.
Mama,
Yeah.
Mama, after doing, I will take a photo and I should send it in the
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
yeah, that's all. That's all, Nana. That's all. In your group, my number is there, right? You take my number and send it personally.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Right, right, Nana. That's all, children. That's all for the day. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, you can take my support. Chat me personally. But
Okay, ma'am.
honestly, do your work. That is my intention, children. If you habitate like a honest nature, like whatever teacher is teaching, understanding, and homework completing, if you habitate like that, you will definitely do miracles in class 10, Nana. I'm seeing many years, more than 22 years, I'm seeing who are towards sincere towards their work. Those are really winners in their life. Ma'am చెప్పారులే అయిపోయిందిలే నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను నాకు అక్కర్లేదు అనుకునే వాళ్ళు దట్స్ నాట్ రియలీ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అప్రిషియేట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వర్క్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ హానెస్ట్లీ డూ ద వర్క్ ఎవరైనా సరే నాన్న పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎవరి కోసం చెప్తారు మన కోసం చెప్తారు చేయాలి నేర్చుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు తల్లిదండ్రులు ట్యూషన్ కింద పెట్టారు నేర్చుకోవాలనే కదా పిల్లల్ని ఇక్కడ పెట్టింది మీరు హానెస్ట్ గా చేయాలి రైట్ yes children shall we end up the session?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, Gagan. Bye, Ashwath.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Dad.
Ma'am, I did 14 messages, ma'am.
What, mom?
Ma'am, I didn't realize I did 14 messages.
Yeah, even I'm seeing that only. Who sent many messages? Okay.